Welcome back, my dear students. Welcome back to the another zoology class. Previous class we discussed about classification of chordate, and in this class I am going to teach about the characteristic features of phylum Chordata. What are the characteristic features that possess the phylum Chordate? This is a expected 5-mark question in your board exam. So kindly see the video carefully and take a notes or take hints for this characteristic features. You can easily write the answers with the help of this symbol diagram. First you have to understand the diagram. This is a schematic diagram of chordate. Chordate oda or model diagram kuduthirukanga. And first you have to understand the 4 regions of an animal. What are the 4 regions? Dorsal region, then ventral region. Dorsal அப்படிங்கிறது முதுகுப்புறம், இது வந்து வென்ட்ரல்ங்கிறது வயிற்றுப்புறம். Another one is anterior and posterior. Anterior means head region, posterior means tail region. These are the 4 regions of an animal: dorsal, ventral, anterior, then posterior. Okay, presence of notochord. This is the first peculiar character. See the pink color structure, presence of notochord. And presence of a nerve cord, second characteristic feature. And presence of alimentary canal. Alimentary canal means here digestive system. And presence of gill slits. And presence of tail. These are the some peculiar characters of phylum Chordate. நம்ம வந்து chordateல வரோம். நம்ம உடம்புல என்னென்ன characteristic features இருக்கும் அதை வச்சு அப்படியே எழுதிட வேண்டியதான். The first characteristic features of phylum Chordate is presence of notochord. It is a elongated rod-like structure. It located just below the nerve cord. See the picture. This is a nerve cord and this is a structure of notochord. This is a rod-like structure. Lies just below the nerve cord. And it also located above the alimentary canal. Can you understand the location of notochord? It is a rod-like structure. Lies between the alimentary canal and the nerve cord. This is a simple word you have to write in the exam. It serves as a primitive internal skeleton. In early development stage, this notochord acts as a skeletal system or internal skeletal system. In some organisms, this notochord also present throughout the life. For example, cephalochordate and urochordate. That animals, the notochord always remain as a notochord throughout the life. For example, lancets and lampreys, I will show the pictures. But in some organisms, the notochord completely or partially replaced as a backbone or vertebral column. Can you understand the difference between the vertebrate and chordate animal? Chordate animal la notochord இருக்கும். அந்த notochord கடைசி வரைக்கும் எப்படி தான் இருக்குன்னா notochord தான் இருக்கும். But vertebrate animal la நோட்டோகார்டு தான், அந்த நோட்டோகார்டு எதாவது ரீப்ளேஸ் ஆயிடுவாங்க. வெரி குட், வெர்டெப்ரல் காலமாக ரீப்ளேஸ் ஆயிடுவாங்க. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? ஸோ வாட் ஆர் த பாயிண்ட்ஸ் யூ காட் டு ரைட் இன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக் ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் நோட்டோகார்ட். திஸ் நோட்டோகார்ட் இஸ் அ ராட் லைக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர். இட் லைஸ் பிட்வீன் த nerve cord and alimentary canal. It serves as a primitive internal skeleton during the embryonic stage. In some organisms, it always remains as a notochord throughout the life, and in some organisms this notochord replaced as a vertebral column. That's all. These are the points you have to understand in first characteristic features notochord. First characteristic feature is over. There is presence of notochord. And second characteristic features of chordate is presence of nerve cord. See this picture. The nerve cord also present here. The red color structure or pink color structure is called a very good notochord. And see above the notochord, the another structure is present here. This structure is called nerve cord. Can you understand the word dorsal side? Already told that there are 4 regions in animal. One is anterior part, another one is posterior part, and dorsal side and ventral side. This nerve cord located on the dorsal side of the animal, just above the notochord. Underline the word. notochordக்கு மேல யார் இருக்காங்க அப்படினா nerve cord இருக்காங்க. It is a tubular structure. And what is the role of this nerve cord? It coordinate the body function. நம்மளோட நர்வஸ் சிஸ்டத்தோட வேலை என்ன? கோஆர்டினேஷன். In higher animals like a human being, the anterior end of the nerve cord differentiate as a brain and posterior end of that animal may differentiate at a spinal cord. This is a structure is seen in higher animals, not in the lower animals. Higher animals like a human being or mammals or reptiles or birds and some fishes. And this nerve cord protected by a covering or protected by a structure is called vertebral column. See here what is given in the textbook. A dorsal hollow tubular fluid filled nerve cord lies above the notochord and below the dorsal body wall. This is a dorsal body wall. Dorsal body wall க்கு கீழ நோட்டோகார்டுக்கு மேலே இருக்கிறாங்க. என்ன ஃபங்க்ஷன்? கோஆர்டினேஷன் த பாடி ஃபங்க்ஷன். இன் ஹையர் chordates, the anterior end of the nerve cord gets enlarged to form the brain. This is a structure of brain. And posterior, this is a posterior end. The posterior part becomes the spinal cord and protected inside the vertebral column. Imagine that this hollow structure is called a, very good, vertebral column. இது வந்து vertebral column வச்சுக்கோங்க. And see this structure, this is a nerve cord, and this nerve cord protected by located like this. This nerve cord protected, this pen is like a nerve cord, and this nerve cord protected by a bony structure. That bony structure is called a vertebral column. This located like that, and this is a structure of vertebral column, and this vertebral column just encircles the, very good, this is called what? A nerve cord. This is the anterior part of the nerve cord. This anterior part of the nerve cord differentiate into the brain, and posterior part of the nerve cord is differentiate into the spinal cord. Okay, this is the location of, very good, nerve cord. First we discuss about what? Notochord. It is a rod-like structure formed during the embryonic stage or embryonic development, and it serves as a internal skeleton. And in some animal it also remains as a notochord. In some animal it also differentiate into the vertebral column. And next structure is, very good, nerve cord. It lies just above the notochord. Here you could see there are three structure. The first structure, this is called what? This structure. This structure is called a nerve cord. And understand the structure of nerve cord, it is located in the dorsal side of the body. And second structure, this pen, this structure, it lies in middle of the two pens. ரெண்டு பெண்ணுக்கு நடுவுல இருக்கிறாங்கல்ல, this structure is called a, very good, notochord. And this structure, this pen, the last structure is called a alimentary canal. Okay, this is an arrangement of a nerve cord, notochord and alimentary canal. சரி, மேலே இருக்கிறது nerve cord, நடுவில் இருக்கிறது notochord, கீழே இருக்கிறது alimentary canal. Okay, understand பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? That's all. Notochord and nerve cord over. This are two important characteristic features of chordate animal. நமக்கு notochord இருக்கிறாங்க, nerve cord இருக்கிறாங்க. Third characteristic features of phylum chordate is presence of gills. What is the role of gills in animals? It is a respiratory organ in aquatic animals. Aquatic animal respiratory organ யார் அப்படின்னா gills தான் சொல்லுவோம். அதுக்கு பேர் என்ன சொல்லலாம்? Pharyngeal gill slits are clefts. Pharyngeal, it is located in the pharynx region. This is a pharynx. These gills or gill slits are present in the pharyngeal part. That is the reason this structure is called a pharyngeal gill slits. Okay. இந்த pharynx பார்ட்ல என்ன இருக்கு அப்படின்னா நிறைய துளைகள் இருக்கு. This perforates act as a gills. These gills are appears during the development of every chordate. Even human being also have a pharyngeal gills. Human being க்கும் pharyngeal gills இருக்கு. See the structural difference of the embryonic development stage of the fishes, reptiles, birds and human being. Fishes also have a gill slits. Reptiles also have a gill slits during the embryonic development. And see, birds also having gill slits during the embryonic stage. And even human being also have a gill slits during the embryonic stage. It is a common structure in all the vertebrate or all the chordate animal. But what is the difference? In aquatic animal, This pharyngeal gill slits formed as a gills or lamellar gills or vascular gills, and it acts as a respiratory organ. That means in aquatic animal it modified into functional structure. But in case of terrestrial animal, these gills are disappear during the development stage. Chordate animalல யாரெல்லாம் தண்ணியில் இருக்கிறாங்களோ அந்த தண்ணியில் இருக்கிற அனிமலுக்கு எல்லாமே அந்த கில்ஸ் எதா மாறும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபெரிஞ்சியல் கில் ஸ்லிட்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிறது எதா மாறும்னா ஃபங்க்ஷனல் ஸ்ட்ரக்சராக மாறும். பட் வெட்டபிரேட் அனிமலில் ஃப்ராகு, அடுத்து வந்து பேர்ட்ஸு, ரெப்டைல்ஸு, மேமல்ஸ், இந்த 4 அனிமல்லையும் எம்ப்ரியானிக் ஸ்டேஜில் இருப்பாங்க. பட் லேட்டராக என்ன பண்ணிடுவாங்கன்னா டிஸப்பியர் ஆகிடுவாங்க. ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஃபெரிஞ்சியல் கில் ஸ்லிட்ஸ் ஆல்சோ அனதர் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக் ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் ஆஃப் கார்டேட். First we discuss about what? Presence of notochord. Okay, see here presence of notochord. Here yellow color structure is notochord, and the presence of very good nerve cord, and third one is presence of very good gill slits or pharyngeal gill slits. Okay. Now another important characteristic features of chordate is presence of complete digestive system. What is meant by complete digestive system? That means the digestive system with the 2 openings. One opening act as a mouth, another opening act as a anus. This is also important characteristic features of very good phylum Chordata. And another important character of chordate is presence of post anal tail. Even human being also has a tail. The post anal tail means the tail is located in the posterior part of the animal and nearby the anus. That is the reason this tail is called by a post anal tail. ஏன் போஸ்ட் ஆனல் டெயில்னு சொல்கிறோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆனஸுக்கு பக்கத்தில் போஸ்டீரியர் பார்ட்டில் இருக்கிறனால அதுக்கு பேர் போஸ்ட் ஆனல் டெயில்னு சொல்லுவோம். அண்ட் த மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் திங் இஸ் ஆல் த வெட்டபிரேட்ஸ் ஹாவ் அ closed circulatory system except one animal, Amphioxus. Except Amphioxus, all the chordates have a closed circulatory system. That means presence of arteries, veins and heart. Okay, then along with that these are the other basic features of vertebrate. All the vertebrates are, or all the chordates are bilaterally symmetrical animal, triploplastic animal, coelomate animal, organ system level of organization, and presence of post anal tail. So these are the characteristic features of phylum Chordata. Expected 5 mark question. Students, kindly please read this part repeatedly. Once again I am going to recall what are the points we discussed in this part. One is presence of notochord. This notochord lies between the alimentary canal and the nerve cord. And second one is presence of nerve cord. It is located on the dorsal side of the animal between the notochord and body wall. Body wall ku notochord ku naduvula irukkranga. In anterior part, in higher animal, the anterior part of the nerve cord differentiate into the brain, and posterior part differentiate into the very good spinal cord. And third characteristic features is presence of pharyngeal gills. In aquatic animal, it acts as a functional structure. That means act as a respiratory structure. But in higher animals, it disappear during the development stage. And presence of water, complete digestive system, and presence of post anal tail. And as it like other animals, it also a triploplastic animal, bilateral symmetry, coelomate animal, and also have a several organs. So it is called a organ system level of organization animal. Okay, that's all characteristic features of vertebrate or characteristic features of chordate is over. Okay, this is a expected 5 mark question. Students, kindly study this part for your board exam. Okay, and next class we will discuss the difference between the invertebrate and vertebrate. So thank you students, thank you for watching.